Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like high ticket affiliate marketing. So in my previous videos, I have spoken a lot about high ticket affiliate marketing and why you should go for high ticket affiliate marketing. So today, if you're looking to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, or you're looking to for a system or where you can get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, so I'm going to cover everything in this video. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing. I'll be talking about mindset, sales funnel, and email marketing. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description, which is what I'm going to talk here today in this video. So let's come back to today's topic. So high ticket affiliate marketing, why you should go for it? Like there are quite a lot of times I have spoken about it. I just want to talk about them again in a very brief. Like number one point is like you can scale your business much faster rate. So for example, if you're trying to sell a $10 product or a $50 product, like it's gonna take a lot of sales in order to make a full-time income out of it. But if you're selling something for $1,000 per sale, so all you need is just 10 sales per month in order to make 10K per month. So which seems quite possible because there are products and there are clients who wants to pay high ticket price, and as long as your product provides massive value to your client, so there is no harm in selling a high ticket product. So this way you build your business much faster pace. And also number two, another point is like you get to work with people like who are very serious about it, because they have paid a premium price and not everybody will buy that. Only few serious people will buy, and it will make your life a lot easier rather than having thousands of customers all the time calling you and asking you a lot of questions. So there are other advantages as well, because you can like the profit that you're gonna make, you can take out some percentage out of it and put it back in the system, as in like running ads or maybe in some softwares, and you can gain more customers at a much faster pace. If you're selling $50 product, like you get only $20-30 chunks in order to reinvest, depending on your percentage. But with high ticket affiliate marketing, you get a lot of money and you can grow much faster rate. So these are some of the advantages why you should go for high ticket affiliate marketing. So if you're looking to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, I promote one of the high ticket affiliate product, that is Sebastian Gomez mentoring. So Sebastian Gomez is my mentor, like who provides premium he provides services to marketing services to various clients at a premium price, and he and his team is doing this for quite a lot of time, and they have a lot of testimonials, like who has worked with a lot of clients and who are very successful in whatever they are doing. So Sebastian has launched this affiliate program where you get to promote his marketing services, and for every sale, every lead or prospect that you get to them, like their team jumps on a call, and if the deal is closed, and you're gonna make those $1,000 per sale big commissions. So also, like when they jump on a call, like it's not like everybody is gonna buy, because that call is a very friendly chat. They talk about 15 to 20 minutes where they talk about like requirement of your client, and if their service gonna fit their requirement, then they're going to advise, or if they can't afford that premium price, they can also offer something at a less very price. So there's a win-win situation here. So, and for this product, like if you're looking for this product and you don't have to pay the high ticket, I have seen many high ticket offers, like you got to pay high ticket, you need to first buy that high ticket product. Maybe it could be a course, or then you can promote. But in this case, its product is not a course. Here it is a marketing services. So marketing services vary depending on the requirement. So you got to pay only $9 per month or $97 lifetime in order to get access to the affiliate program. That's also create kind of like, this price is very little, I know, but this kinds of create like little micro commitment, because if this was made free, again it would become another ClickBank site where everybody would jump and they start smashing their link wherever they want. So to keep that micro commitment, the price is only $9 per month and $97 per month. That is program is called as Work with Sebastian. Along with this program, you're not only going to get the products to promote, you are also going to get the training that is required to promote this product. And also this training is not only specifically designed to promote only this product, you can use these principles taught in this program to promote any other product you have in your life. And you can build your personal brand, the concept of value ladder, mindset, Facebook ads, free ad traffic strategies, how you can position your angle, everything is covered in this training. And I think this training has the greatest value, and like I can't imagine the value for someone who is giving it at such price. So this is one of the best programs that you're going to ever see. So I'll leave my first link in the description, and if you sign up using the first link in the description, you can email me like I have purchased it using your affiliate link. We can become accountability partners and work together in the long run, like how we can help each other to grow our business. And next point I want to talk about is like this program is not only going to give you the products and also the training, but he's also going to give you all the resources, that all the sales funnel that you require, all the email swipes, ad copies, everything is there. And also he's going to teach how to build them. So that is most important thing, because you got to build those skills on your own, because you don't want to rely on this program all throughout your life. So this is one of the complete package program which changed my life, the way I look at my business, the way I build my business, the way I create content, and everything has changed. So if you're watching this video, there is no brainer to not to go for this program. You can just check the first link in the description, and if you have any questions about this program, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm more than happy to answer you, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.